I wanted to make this video because when I was trying to purchase this vehicle, there wasn't too many videos on Acadia AT4s, lifted, off-road packages, or anything like that. So I decided to make my own video. For those of you that want to purchase one but want to make it look less like a soccer mom vehicle, this is a 22 AT4 Acadia. Some of the things I've done is I leveled it out with the Readylift 1.5 inch kit. I wanted the one that came with the springs, but the dealership cheated me out and paid for the lesser one, even though I was willing to pay the difference. I switched the tires from those Continental all-terrains to the BF Goodrich all-terrains, and it's rocking the 265 R17s. I tried to fit some mud tires, 265/70, some Toyo tires, but they wouldn't fit. My next thing is like maybe I want to add some Flowmasters, give it a little growl. Up top, I think I went to Harbor Freight and I paid for the crossbars and that carrier. I think it came out to a total of like $190. I kind of don't like that it stuck out. I wish I'd have gone the ones that just come right here, but oh well. Oh, and yesterday I ordered some spacers from Amazon, some 1.5 inch spacers. Came out to like about $120. I kind of wanted to make the tires pop out a little more, which I think was successful. As you can see how it pops out just pretty much about an inch from the wheel well. The back one is more noticeable. There you go. So yeah, there you go. You want an AT4 Acadia, want to make it a little bit look a little bit more rugged, a little more man-like. This is it. Took it out to the sand last week, and that all-wheel drive behaved pretty well in the sand. All right, guys. Gals.